Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The expression contains the basic operation minus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. Here we have four answers 20, 24, 3 by 7, 26. So we have to see which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what is the PAMDAS and BODMAS method. As you can see on the screen, like we have two rules here and which we are using to solve this expression, and actually both rules are similar ones. If you use any of them, so you can get the correct result. So the rule says the if you have the bracket or parenthesis in your expression, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that you have to see the exponent of power in your expression, and after that, step number three is you have to go in your expression left to right and find out two things like division or multiplication. And both has similar precedence, so you have to see like which operation is coming first. And if you are using bot mass, so you cannot say I will solve the division first. And if you are using the MUMDA, so you cannot say I'm using multiplication. So you can solve any of them which is coming first. Then, similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rules, you have to solve first the bracket. So here we have two brackets. One is this one, and other one is this one. So first, we have to see. First step one is solve the bracket. So here solve bracket. So step one, we will solve first the bracket and get right like this way. So here we will write like 18. Other thing we will write as it is. So we will write this one as it is. And now first bracket we will solve this part. So this part is 8 minus 2, which is equals to 6. And multiply by 4, multiply by 2, we will write as this thing as it. And here we will give the reference like 8 minus 2 equals to 6. Now, move forward to solve the other bracket, which is this one. So here we will solve this part. So we will write this part as it is. And here we have 4 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8. And we will write 4 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8. Now, step number two is you have to solve the exponent part or power. So in our expression, we do not have any power. So now we will start. Step two is basically in our case solve multiplication and division. Division and multiplication. And this part we will right, remove that. Step number two is solve division and multiplication. So now we have to go left to right, and we will go left to right. Now we have to see like which is coming. So this part is coming first. Some people says we will solve this part and find out the result. So this is the common mistake if you do. If you say I'm using the palm dust, so I will solve the multiplication first. You cannot say like this way. We have to solve this part first. So now we will solve 18 divided by 6, which is equals to 3. So 18, we will write 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. Multiply by 8, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference like 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. Move forward to solve the last part. So we will solve this part, which is equals to 3 multiplied by 8. So we will write 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. So the answer of the given expression is 24. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very easily using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So that's it for today. And if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. One more thing, we have added some other playlists which is related to MCQ based, and some are basically related to general questions, some are basically artificial intelligence MCQs, and some are the English quizzes. So you can solve that quizzes as well from our channel and give your result in the comment box so we can see like how you got scored from the our channel. So thank you for watching, and that's it for today. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.